In this part, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Sheet. So to get started, open up a blank Google Sheet and call it something that corresponds with your app name. And then we are going to add a few columns starting with book title, book author, a picture of the book, the category, book info to tell us what it's about. I want the ability to mark the book as completed and to review it. And then I want to track my progress, and to do this we're going to have two columns for progress. And now to get this information, I'm going to use Simple Scraper. So if you don't have it already, head to the Chrome Web Store and you can download it from there and install it as an extension. And you can use a few different websites for this, but for this example, I'm going to use the New York Times 100 Notable Books of 2019. So I'm going to click on my scraper extension and add my first property, which is going to be the name of the book. And then I'm going to add the book author and the category, and then the synopsis, summary, and the book picture. And you'll see that it says only 15 items selected, and that's because the page hasn't loaded completely. So I'm just going to scroll down and let everything load because the infinite scroll toggle won't work on this site for some reason. So I'm going to just try one more time to grab the picture, and now you'll see it says 100 items selected, which is what I was expecting. So I am now going to press view results and check to make sure that everything is here. So I have the title of my book, the author, the category, the summary, and the picture of the book. And so I'm going to download the CSV and then go back to my Google Doc and import it. And I'm going to just append it to the current sheet and delete this row 2. And there I have everything. So the headers aren't in order, so I can just switch that around. Category, book info, and book picture. So now that we have our data, I'm going to hop into Glide and we're going to set up our app.